He was talking to us. He was talking to Hitty. Hi. Hey, you beautiful baby. Hello. Well, hello. You were talking to me when I came out. Hi.